Passion. I'm Adrian Crawford, it's Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche, and today I wanted to follow on from last week's Walkabout Wednesday when I was talking about the best time to sell and the best time to buy and dispel some of the most obvious myths. So the first myth is about 4x4s and winter, and that you can sell 4x4s when winter's coming because we're all terrified of driving in the snow, but our winters aren't really so much like that at the moment. And Macans and Cayennes, or 4x4 SUVs, actually sell any time of the year. The beauty, of course, of Porsche, well, I'll come back to that. Let's go to convertibles. Now, convertibles, you would think that they'd only sell when the sun's out in the summer, but that's not true either. You see, did you know that we are one of the biggest buyers of convertibles in Europe? And you think, why is that with our weather? But it's always been the case. And we're going to lump Targas, Harry, and convertibles into the same thing. It's because we appreciate blue skies. And the convertibles allow us to get to those blue skies as often as we can, whether it's summer or winter. So I've got my assistant here, young Harry, to sit in and operate this beautiful 991. Press the blue sky button, Harry. And that's it. Turn it on. As quick as that. So you can enjoy a convertible on your way to work in the morning for 5 minutes or for the whole journey. So convertibles, classics, still with an electric roof that opens and shuts really easily and seals up. They're lovely when the top's on. Then we've got things like Targas, where the fabric panel lifts off, folds away and fits in the trunk. Let's see what else we've got here. This one's going to come up for sale soon. Supercharged car with, again, the electric top. Opens and shuts in probably 20-25 seconds. Another Targa, and a modern Targa here. All of these operate really, really easily. Another 991. Oh, 997 Turbo, interesting cars. Back in the day, about 110, 115,000 pound new. Super things to drive. We've got Boxsters. Both those have got hard tops on because they both got every option known to man, and they both sold in the depths of winter. Just to prove my point. And then we got a 992 convertible here as well. So if you're interested, then always call, because we've got other things coming and going, and often they never make the website. So the message is, as far as convertibles are concerned, or any Porsche, the fact is 85%, I think Porsche used to say, were unique cars with, no two were the same. And that's on the used market why when you see something that you like, in the condition that you like, and you're ready to go, just get on and do it, because it's to replace these cars is really difficult. On the subject of replacing, same message as last week. We are looking for new cars to put in the showroom, and we seem to be selling them a little faster then we're managing to fit them in here. It sort of suits us at the moment because we got a lot of building work going on and there's a lot of crashing and banging in the background that you can hear. However, our guys here, Ross, Andy, Harry and Beth, all need and are really keen to be selling Porsche. If you've got something, then please let us know. We'd love to help, or at least advise. We happily talk to you about the value and just give you our best advice on it. All you need to do is pick up the phone. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday and we look forward to seeing you here.